Hey there, welcome to Google Search Console tutorials for beginner. In this tutorials, I am going to share the step-by-step guideline that is very necessary for your website, especially for e-commerce business website. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to learn what is Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a free tools from Google that help you monitor, maintain and troubleshoot your website performance in Google search result. So in these tutorials you can learn see how your site performance on Google, fix indexing issue, submit sitemap, track keyword performance, detect security problem. Why is Google Search Console important? That is very important question. So here is the step-by-step details that why it's so important. First of all, by using Google Search Console you can know how people find your website, from where they are coming and which page they are visiting. Improve your SEO strategy. Using Google Search Console you can easily improve your SEO strategy. You can make a proper action plan and take the action following the result or report by Google Search Console, because you can know in details or deep details about your audience, customers or your users. Fix technical issues. 404 mobile problem. With Google Search Console you can easily identify the technical issues like 404 not found or mobile problems, because maximum e-commerce website users or maximum customers who purchase from online, they use their mobile phone to purchase anything from website. So this is very important to be sure your website is mobile friendly, or is there any problem in mobile when someone visit your website. And using Google Search Console you can know about this issue and you can take the proper action to fix this issue. Monitor backlink and internal linking. This is another important things for your website on the search result organically, and that you can analyze or monitor from your Google Search Console, and you can know about the backlinks, from where you get the backlinks. Also you can know about the internal links. Then track core web vital and mobile usability. This is also very important, and using Google Search Console you can detect potential or manual action that improve your website performance. So here how to set up Google Search Console. You can see that in my screen. This is theoretical step how you can set up Google Search Console, but right now I'm going to show you practical. So now you are going to learn how to set up Google Search Console. So I'm going to open a browser. So here is the Google Chrome browser and search in here Google Search Console. Okay, so I have searched on Google Search Console. Then click on here, click start now. You have to do same process. When I click on the start now, it's directly login and redirect to the Google Search Console dashboard, and you see here is my profile icon. If you already logged in your Gmail, then Google Search Console automatically login with your login Gmail and you don't have to do anything. Otherwise we have to just take few steps to complete the account creation. As a Google user or Gmail user, it's super easy. You don't have to do any technical things. Just you have to add some information or provide some information to complete this process. When you complete the registration or sign up, you will find the same interface after login. And now we are going to learn how we can set up our Google Search Console account. So first of all we have to click on here, then you see add property, and here we have to add our domain. So go to my domain Hobbyguns online shop. Okay, here is the domain. Then add this domain in here. Looks very carefully. Click on the continue, verifying property, http hobbygunsonlineshop.com, ownership verified. So if your ownership is not verified, then you have to add some technical step. So how it's automatically verified? Because in previous we have created account in Google Analytics and we have added gtech.js code, tracking code in our website. So you can check out my YouTube channel or video description where you can learn how to create Google Analytics account and set up Google Analytics, and I will share this video link in the video description, and you can know about that how to set up or complete this process, like add gtech.js tracking code. Then when you click on the verify property, Google Search Console website submission automatically verified. So it's super easy. Just check out the link in the video description, then you will find the video link where you can learn everything. This is also same importance for your website to improve your website performance, get more traffic, take proper action. So Google Analytics and Google Search Console is very important part of your website to run your online business. Okay, so click on the go to property, and when I go to the property, here is my website, you see, and you can see all other website in here if you have multiple website. First of all, here is the overview. In the overview you can see the performance. You see there are no performance report. We just added our website right now, so it will take a little bit time to get the performance report. Then indexing, no report, experience, enhancement, everything. Then here is the performance menu. In here you can see the performance of last 24 hours, 7 days, 28 days, 3 months or much more. And following this report you can take proper action. Okay, then URL inspect. If you want to inspect any specific URL, for example you wanted to see that this product, for example this one, this is the product, specific product URL, you want to check that is it indexed or is it ranking up or decreasing the rank on Google search result, then you can check it. Just press enter. Then retrieving data, no data, it's not on Google, it's not indexed because we just added. Okay, and I have a lot of video tutorials about Google Search Console. For example, how to fix URL not on Google, how to send index request, how to fix if you have already sent index request but it does not show on Google search result. Okay, then indexing, here you can see all the pages which are not indexed and which are indexing. Then here is the sitemap. You see there are no sitemap, so this is very important to add your sitemap. So how we can add sitemap on Google Search Console? In the sitemap we have to add sitemap to crawl our website and index it on the Google search result or in the Google search engine. So it's very important topic, and I have individual video where you can learn details about sitemap, how to create sitemap, multiple way to create a sitemap, and how to set up your sitemap, also the importance of sitemap. So you can learn deeply about the sitemap. So check out the video description where you will find the reference tutorials like sitemap. Then removal, in here you can remove any unwanted page link and you can remove it for temporary or for outdated content, and you can send new request from here. Then experience, in experience you will get core web vital, and there are no result for now because this is just start with Google Search Console of this website, that's why we don't see any result. And security and manual action, you can see all the manual action that you have to take for your website in here. So we have no issue right now, and you will find the security issues in here under the security issues, then links and settings. And in the settings you can get all the general settings and crowdrel report. Also, if you want to remove the property, then you can remove it from here. So that's it for now about Google Search Console. I will share more video guideline or tutorials in my YouTube channel based on specific topics like sitemap or security issues, manual actions or performance or URL inspect. Also, I have already multiple video about SEO because this is totally relevant with SEO. So I hope you understand about Search Console, how to submit your website in Google Search Console, and the basic introduction about the Search Console dashboard. And now I believe you can submit your website in the Google Search Console, and you can play around with Google Search Console dashboard. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.